In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a LinkedIn newsletter. Whether you're looking to share insights with your network or broaden your professional reach, a newsletter can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll begin by heading over to the LinkedIn website. Simply type linkedin.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You can use either a Google or Microsoft account, or you might choose to enter your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn will ask you to verify your account. This usually involves entering a code sent to your phone, so be sure to have your device close by. Once you've successfully logged in and find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage, direct your attention to the top of the page and look for the button labeled Write Article. While this is typically where you would begin a new article or post, today, our focus is on newsletters. Go ahead and click on Write Article. On the next page, notice the Manage a drop-down situated in the upper right corner. Click on it, and from the appearing menu, select Create Newsletter. Now comes the fun part where you can truly make your newsletter your own. You'll see a prompt inviting you to add a newsletter title and description. Take some time to carefully think about what you'd like to call your newsletter and the nature of the content you'll be sharing. You'll also need to decide on how often you'd like to publish it. This can be weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly, depending on what suits your schedule best. Additionally, you have the opportunity to upload an image or a logo for your newsletter. This little touch can give your newsletter a branded feel and make it instantly recognizable to your readers. Once you've inputted all the necessary details, click Done. After setting up your newsletter, its title should appear near the top right corner of the page. If it's not immediately visible, no worries. Simply click the Manage drop-down once more to select the newsletter you want to begin writing for. With your setup complete, you can now focus on creating your first piece of content. As you draft your article, ensure it accurately reflects the tone and style you want for your newsletter. Once your article is polished and you're satisfied with it, proceed to click Next located in the upper right corner of the screen. Take a moment to review everything one last time, and if everything looks good, click Publish. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn newsletter is now live for your connections and followers to read and engage with. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to maintain a regular publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged and eagerly anticipating your next insights.